Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. If you read Chinese, you know exactly what it is, but I don't. But it's a magnifier. You can see it's 100 times magnification. That is the only thing in English on this so far. So, box empty. Here's the stuff. Here we go. We have the instructions. It's a reading microscope with illuminate with a magnification of 100 times. So it'll be good for some looking at circuitry or something very close call stuff. So let's see what it looks like. This is it right here. So we're going to check this thing out and give it a try. Comes in a little Ziploc. And this is it here. Let's see, how do we do this? There, so that comes out. But it's going to be through here. I think we're going to need open. Gonna need, it looks like, I think it's double A's. Put some double A's in there. Let's see if we got those. It's gonna take more than one. Two. Maybe I put it in backwards. Maybe it's the other way around. Does it see which way it goes? No, it goes this way, it goes that way. And then this. Got it in there. Okay, so you see it goes in there. We'll put this back on. And look, we've got a light coming out of there. So now we have a magnifier and a light. So I should be able to look through this and see stuff magnified. Oh, how cool is that? Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to get it in there, but you can see there's a little measuring thing on there, so you can see the different size. I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see it, but let me look at something here and see what I see. It's cool because everything's lit up, and if I put it right on something, nothing happens because I need to adjust. Oh, like, boy, this is magnifying so much. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep it this steady, holding it in my hand, looking through it for you guys. But I see, it looks like the letters on this thing, the blue letters. Wow, it was magnifying this so much. All I could see, it looked like a bunch of blue amoebas. Super cool. And it's got the size on it. It says like 0.02. So if you look through something really in depth in there, you'll be able to know exactly how big it is because it even has the measurements on there. That's pretty cool. So it's got the 100 times measurement, and you can look at things through there. So it's a really cool little device. And it looks like when I close it up, see the light's on. When I close it up, the light goes off. So cool little magnifier. I like this thing. Very cool. Thumbs up.